XL 57 at Des Moines, Iowa. Transmitting on 162.55 megahertz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 166, effective until 10 a.m. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa: Adair and Clark. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.